Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa farm. Ito yung aming hindi pa tapos.
Lalakaw ko sa din ng paypay. Alay. Ano yung may mga paypay?
Ayan. Sa lapag muna kami kasi wala pa kaming tables and chairs. Sunod mayroon na. Sunod gagawa na ng tables and chairs. Sunod na punta, hindi na kami magagawa ng ganyan, no? Table. Ayan guys, umuulan ngayon. Buti na lang, nakarating kami dito bago umulan. Beauty little pie, kumakain at nagwa-watch. Ayan guys.
Ginagawa kami dito kalipin, ha?
Nathan, what did you say again? Say it again, me love. Say it again, me love. You like green and orange paint? Cream and orange.
Why?
Masyado tong bossy, ah.
What? I don't hear you.
Ayan, gusto niya, guys. Ayaw niya ng ganitong kulay. Dito, gusto niya papalitan ng cream and orange?
Blue.
At saka blue. Ang arte naman nito. Kagaya daw doon sa sa room niya sa Manila. Ayan.
Kasi dyan yung pintuan.
Ang bilis. Wala pang 1 minute.
May ilap doon, mga kapit yun.
Double walling. Yan, dito sa half na Lagyan na ng double walling. Dito sa kabila, wala pa. Hi guys, dito sa farm mayroon kaming generator. Ayan, para sa paghahati. Ayan. Hindi mahirap kasi ito yung gamit. Yan yung gamit sa pagputol. So, naka-generator. Lakas yung generator namin. Heavy duty na rin ito kasi Mitsubishi generator, inverter na rin siya, kaya energy saving or any energy saver siya. Yan siya. Ito yung generator namin dito sa farm. Dito nag-blow. Ayan. Ganyan siya guys, oh. So, yan. Maganda. Heavy duty na siya. Ganyan siya. Yung likod. Our cutie little pie. What?
We're making a bonfire, guys.
What? You're making what?
A bonfire with this one.
Fire?
With these rocks.
Bonfire?
Yeah, bonfire.
Oh, I see. Yan guys, nandito ng tabi lang kami ng kalsada ng Barangay Road. Yan, dyan lalagyan namin ng gate. Ito yung sasakyan. Sipon, come here my love. Hi Nathan, what are you doing with the rocks? You're making a bonfire, are you sure? Oh, you know how to make a bonfire? With rocks and what? Oh no.
What's wrong with it?
There, over there.
Where?
There, that one, yeah. Oh no.
Does it collect wood? Come on, put it here. You're so slow.
Oh no. You're complaining? Ayan. Lalaro siya ng mga rocks. Nathan, are you bored? Or not? You're happy? You're in the farm?
Sipon again.
Sipon again, wait. You tell everyone what are you doing?
I am making a bonfire. Oh no! Look at that, so big.
Yan guys. Doon yung bahay. Tabi lang kami ng kalsada.
I think it's a monster.
May mga bulb wires na, ayan, ano na yung mga bulb wires sa ano, sa property. Let's see.
Oh, fire! I need to take. Oh, I see a rock. I see a rock. I think the fire will be right here. When I put it down, it'll be fire. Make a giant hole. If you put the rock
Ayan, kanina umulan. Mabuti na lang tumila na.
and it'll be rock.
Ayan, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Tapos na kami lahat mag-lunch.
No! Here lang.